Hey guys, Jimmy Entertainment here. I am outside of my house. We have been hearing more noises coming from outside my house, so I'll bring you some scary noises on the outside of my trailer. Hope you guys enjoy this video. So we're coming through here, trying to check it out. We've been hearing some strange noises, and I don't know what it is, but it was full moon tonight, looks like it. But yeah, I'll give it a shot of that. Full moon. Let's see. And we're trying to figure out. Oh, that's what that is. What noises are out here. Yeah. We're gonna try see if we can catch something or any noise. You guys hear anything? Let me know. Comment, tell me. Know if you've heard anything. Well, if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, get updated on all my videos, and give me that thumbs up on my video, push my content out more. But yeah, guys, we've been getting a lot of weird noises coming from outside, and also we'll be getting some activity on the inside, like somebody's walking down the hallway, or like one day I seen the diaper in the floor be tugged at, and then when I looked at it quick, it's kind of some creepy stuff going on. But go over here, show you guys. I used to have a pellet gun, and you can see
that's a cinder block.
That is a pellet that I missed my target and it imprinted into the brick. That's pretty funny though. Really didn't expect it to stick into it like that, but it did. But here's you got bushes like that. Anything can hide in these bushes. Yeah, we've been hearing some weird, strange noises out here. And I don't know. I ain't seen nothing. Nothing odd. Huh? Beetles. Beetles in the bushes. Beetles in the bushes. Huh?
I was up together.
Oh, there. Guys.
I was looking for the blackberries,
I
but
want to be like Nature Channel.
I wasn't expecting to see that in the dark.
Trying to focus it on there. We got two beetles doing the nature call. Doing the nature call. Is there anything else in these bushes?
I was looking for the blackberries to see if they was sprouting yet.
Yeah, this is the blackberry bush. That's where I eat my blackberries.
Right now, anyway. Oh, thorns are on it.
Huh?
Thorns are on it.
Of course, that's on it all year round, honey.
Ow.
Yeah.
Ow.
Well, like I said, if you guys see or hear anything, feel free to comment and let me know. And let me know what you've heard or anything. Some noises when it's dark out here, and when it gets pitch dark. Right now, we have a full moon. Huh? Shh! Don't say that. We got some beetles out here doing the nature calls. So, anyways, if you are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and hit that bell button to get updated with all my content. Like I said, I figured I'd bring you this video. So we've been hearing things on the outside, and it is dark. So, I mean, if I caught any weird noises through my recording, just comment and let me know. And one night we did hear something scream out here. Scared my fiance to death. She ran in the house, left me for dead. But anyways, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, get updated on my videos, and hit that like button. Let's push these videos out. Let's get people recognized. Let's get a bunch of subscribers. Let's do this. And I will see you on the next video.